So this is going to be a complete and honest review of Storix. I'm going to be talking about the different OTUs and upgrades, and also I'm going to be talking about the vendor who made this particular product, and also I'm going to be talking about his other products which he made in the past and its performance. So stick around till the end of this video as I'm going to show you if Storix is worth your time. So if you don't know what Storix is, so Storix is a platform or it's a software that claims it can make you all of these fully functional online prompt store within a few seconds, and also it instantly loads it with 80,000 prompts from the most powerful AI platforms like ChatGPT, Midjourney and DALL-E 3. And also they say that you can sell them and create unlimited discount coupons for prompts, change the price of any prompt, plus you get access to AI powered module, creates advanced ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E 3, etc, etc, etc. So if you're wondering if all of this is true, stick around till the end of this video because I don't think Storix is really going to be worth your time, but let's have a look at it. And also they say you get a free gift and it's for the first 100 buyers and also a 30-day reseller license. So it's basically a way for them to get more buyers into their platform, and probably everyone is going to get that free gift. So you can see the demo video over here and it sounds a lot of legit, and I don't think the functionality of Storix is that great. It's because if you look at the vendor, so this is vendor and he's the owner of Storix and he's one of the top 10% vendors and he's a superstar vendor. He's a top 5% affiliate and he's a superstar affiliate, and also he has got almost 39 featured offers. So he has got quite the reputation in the Warrior Plus community and he's getting a lot of sales. I mean, he's making a lot of money. But the problem is when you go to his other products and the reviews, we can say it's a little bit good, but I don't think personally it has got a lot of good reviews because if you look at his past 5 products, so this one, which is called the AI DG Maker, it has got 3.57 review. And this one over here, it's also like 3.57 review. And also this one, which is the eBuddy, it has got like 4.5 stars. So that's one of his better products. So this is one product which is actually good. So if you go to Blog Automaker, which is only 2.5 review, so that's really low, and below 3 star is not really worth your time also. And this one also 3.22. So it's called 6 Sites AI, and EB Side Made, this is 3.7, and this one is 3.47, and the prompt site is 3.4. and the AI travel site is 3.67. So if you look at all of his reviews, the average product rating he's getting is really average, and I personally wouldn't recommend a vendor that has got such average reviews. So this particular vendor, I wouldn't say he's totally bad because he's getting a pretty decent review, but if you look at the average rating, it's around 3.5 star review. So in Warrior Plus, you need to remind yourself is that there are a lot of vendors that are promoting a lot of 2 stars, 3 stars or even 1 star review. So in Warrior Plus, if you want to understand if a product is good or if a vendor is good, the vendor needs to have at least 4-star review or 4-star above in order to identify whether the vendor is good or not. So as you can see, this product over here is a good product, and which is why it has 4.5 star review, and I would have personally recommended this. But it all depends. We have no idea how Storix is going to be, but I personally wouldn't really suggest from a vendor who has got 3.5 star review. And guys, if you're looking for an alternative, I will suggest you Kevin Fahey. He's one of the better sellers in Warrior Plus, and this is what a vendor should look like. and he should have at least 4-star review, and this particular vendor has got 4.13. And if you're looking for a product that is going to change your life, maybe you want to make money online, I would suggest you the affiliate takeover, which I have personally purchased, and it is one of the better products in Warrior Plus. And it has got almost 4.67 reviews. It shows you a step-by-step guide on how you can make money with affiliate marketing. It's a very good course, and if you want to go ahead and purchase it, you get a lot of freebies with that also. So if you want to get it, you can click the first link in the description. So this is the kind of vendor you have to look for, and this is a vendor, I mean, he's not bad. He has got 3.5 star review, but it's not great. That's what I'm saying. It's pretty average. And one more thing I want to suggest you guys is that the different audios and upgrades. So as you guys know, the Storix regular, which is $17. So that's the front end. So if you scroll a bit down here, you can see the price is at $14. So let me remind you guys that the front end can always fluctuate between $12 and $17. So at any time during this video, sometimes it's going to be 14, sometimes it's going to be 17 or 13 or something like that. So the problem comes is when you look at the first OTO, so it's $37, and the second OTO is again $37. Then we have the third OTO is also 37, fourth OTO is 97, then 127. So it has got a total of 5 OTOs, and I think that's pretty normal for these courses or these softwares to have 3 to 5 OTOs. I like the fact that they don't have like 7 to 10 OTOs, but just like 1 to 5 OTOs. But the problem is that in order to get the full access of Storix, you need to purchase all of these OTOs. So this is kind of like a sales funnel in which the vendor makes a lot of money. And I don't pretty much think that you're going to be getting a great amount of value because the vendor doesn't have that much great reviews. So it's like a sales funnel for the vendor to make a lot of money. If you look at the price range, it's from $14 and $127. Imagine he's getting like an average of $50 per product. So that's going to make him 50 into 1,000, $50,000 for just this new launch over here. So he's going to be making a lot of money today. And this is how these vendors make, and I pretty much don't think they are making money with this particular platform called Storix. It's just their tool that they are using to make more money. So that's something you have to keep in mind, and I personally would suggest everyone to stay away from this. So that's basically it for this video of Storix. I really hope you like this. I hope you like and subscribe. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.